Friends, welcome back to my channel, Georgie the Explorer, and this is a special video on the occasion of Ganpati Immersion Day or Ganpati Visarjan Day. Yesterday is the last day of the 10 days long Ganesh festival in Mumbai, and this festival ends with the immersion or Visarjan of Ganesh idols in various beaches and water bodies across the city and its suburbs. So we are today, this evening we are going to witness this amazing ceremony at one of the most iconic and popular sites, Ganesh immersion sites in South Mumbai, Girgaon Beach. Yes, Girgaon Chowpatty or Girgaon Beach. So I'm very close to the beach right now. We are heading straight to the beach to witness this amazing ceremony of Ganpati immersion. Right now, at the moment, I'm in Babul Nath. Babul Nath is a very popular place in South Mumbai, and it's right next to the beach, Girgaon Beach or Girgaon Chowpatty. And Babul Nath is popular for its temple, Babul Nath Temple or Babul Nath Mandir. I'll show you the Mandir. First, this is Babul Nath Mandir, very popular, iconic, centuries old Mandir temple, Babul Nath Temple in South Mumbai. Now we are heading straight to the Girgaon Beach or Girgaon Chowpatty to witness this amazing Ganpati immersion or Ganpati Visarjan ceremony this evening. So stay tuned. So this is the Babul Nath area right next to the Girgaon Beach. It's a very popular and beautiful location, very high-end location, known for its heritage structures. Yes, most of the buildings, residential buildings and structures here are under the heritage tag. Yes, as you can see, these beautiful structures here, all these are residential buildings under the heritage tag. Yeah, all these are heritage buildings, very old, centuries old heritage buildings here, well maintained, very beautiful heritage residential buildings. It's a very posh locality right next to the Girgaon Beach. Now we are heading straight to the beach. I'm so excited to witness this ceremony. Now I'm standing right next to this observation deck. This is the observation deck at Chowpatty Beach, at Girgaon Chowpatty, and it's a very beautiful view from here. You can see a beautiful, very beautiful view of beach, Chowpatty Beach from here. It's not Chowpatty Beach, it's a Girgaon Beach or Girgaon Chowpatty. Chowpatty means beach in Hindi, so it's a Girgaon Beach. It's a beautiful view of beach from here. And you can see a large crowd gathered over there. That is the immersion site. We are heading straight to that place in a while. So this is the Girgaon area, Girgaon Beach area. This is one of the most popular beaches in the city, and every year you can see massive, very huge, massive idols like this being brought here for immersion, for Visarjan. It's one of the most beautiful sights here. And the atmosphere here is truly electrifying. See the size of these idols, amazing. There are so many such idols being brought here for immersion. You can see this huge crowd gathered here. I never miss to come to this beach to witness this mega event during this time. See the crowd, dear friends. All these are Ganesh idols or Ganpati idols in various sizes. And this Girgaon Chowpatty or Girgaon Beach is the most iconic spot for the grand finale of this Ganesh Chaturthi, the Ganesh Visarjan or Ganesh immersion. For 10 days, Mumbai has celebrated the Lord Ganesha with devotion and joy, and now thousands of people gather here at Chowpatty, Girgaon Chowpatty, to bid farewell to their beloved God. Here you can see Ganesha in different styles and forms, along with various other gods, including Lord Shiva. People are in a kind of frenzy to catch a glimpse of him, taking pictures and selfies. And friends, here you can see this particular idol, which is different from the usual image of Ganesha, with a bulky body and big stomach. And of course the crowd here is massive. You will see families, youngsters, elders and tourists all joining in with the same energy. The atmosphere is electric with chants, drums and dance filling the air. What makes this day so special is the sight of idols in all sizes and shapes. Some are small household idols carried lovingly in people's arms, while others are gigantic community idols towering over 20 feet high, brought on trucks and trolleys. Each idol is beautifully decorated with unique designs and artistic details, making the immersion a visual treat. The history of this tradition goes back to the late 1800s when Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, an Indian independence movement activist, encouraged people to celebrate Ganesh Utsav publicly to unite society during the freedom movement. Since then, Girgaon Chowpatty has remained the most famous site for Visarjan in Mumbai. And here at this Girgaon Chowpatty, you can see massive Ganesh idols on trucks and trolleys making their way to the beach for the final farewell. It's such an emotional moment for devotees because for the past 10 days they welcomed Ganesha into their homes and offices, performed aarti and prayers and treated him just like a family member. And now with love and devotion they bid him goodbye as the idols are immersed in the sea and other water bodies across Mumbai and its suburban areas. Every year during Ganesh Visarjan, Girgaon Chowpatty in Mumbai becomes a sea of humanity. The crowds are truly massive, with thousands of devotees pouring in from every corner of the city to witness and participate in the farewell of Lord Ganesha. The atmosphere is electrifying, one that blends devotion, celebration and raw emotion. The spirit of the people here is unmatched. For devotees, Ganesha is not just a deity but a family member, and saying goodbye is deeply emotional. And this massive gathering reflects the true character of Mumbai, its unity in diversity. And this is another interesting sight here. These people are from Thailand celebrating Ganesh festival in Mumbai. In Thailand, Ganesha is widely worshipped and is known as Phra Phikanet or Phra Phikaneswan. He is regarded as a remover of obstacles and a bringer of success, particularly in the fields of art, music and business. Temples dedicated to Ganesha can be found across Thailand, and his presence is deeply woven into the country's spiritual and cultural life. And the crowd just keeps flowing towards the immersion site like a river of devotion, and this unstoppable stream of people will continue all the way till midnight. Friends, Ganesh Festival is one of the most celebrated festivals in India, especially in Maharashtra. It marks the birth of Lord Ganesha, the deity of wisdom, prosperity and good luck. The festival was popularized during the late 19th century by freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak, who encouraged people to celebrate it publicly as a way to bring communities together during the independence movement. Since then, it has grown into a grand cultural and spiritual event. As the celebrations begin with the installation of beautifully crafted Ganesha idols in homes and public pandals. Pandals means a kind of stage at public places where idols are installed, and then the devotees offer prayers and sweets like modak. Modak is a particular kind of sweet so popular during this time, and then perform aarti with devotion. Then the festival concludes with the immersion of idols in various beaches and water bodies, symbolizing the cycle of creation and dissolution And first, as I told you, this is a special video for this occasion. Look out for my regular video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So that's all for today. Signing off. See you. Bye-bye.